Now we don't even really know where we're going. We just gotta have a car for the hell of it. And we are walking down the trail because I kind of want to see the water down here. Oh, and there's another sign telling us to beware of bears.
Fine.
I guess we can't actually get into the beachy area. We can go up here. Anyway, they're filming across the street, or so we think, because the trailers are all set up. But apparently they've filmed in this park before. That's kind of a cool view. And trees, and rain, and heather.